Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to send crypto from your Coinbase wallet to any other exchange. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. So as you can see, currently we are on the main page of Coinbase, and here we have our crypto stash and under it our cash itself. So from here, once you click on it, you can see all the details around that, and then from here you can simply click on transfer. Now you can either click on receive crypto or send crypto. And from here, all you have to do is click on the send crypto since you would like to send it to another exchange. And then from here, it's going to give you multiple options. You will see them on the screen right now. So from here, simply either enter a brand new address or enter any other address that you have in mind. And then once you go there, it's going to show you that you will need to add whatever amount. So for example here, $20 worth of Solana. And then once you click on preview, it's going to show you all the fees that it's going to attach with it. And finally, all you have to do is to simply confirm, and you will simply avoid it. As you can see right here where you're sending this all, so either it's going to be self-custody wallet, which is your own, or it's going to be exchange such as Coinbase, Binance. So simply click on the exchange button, and then from here it's going to give you whatever exchange you would like to choose. So for example, we're going to go for Binance, and then once you click on it, it's going to just send it another time. And then from here, recipient's full name, and then recipient's country of residence, and then either send to myself or not. Once that is done, simply click on continue, and then it will transfer directly. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.